Everyone, we are the students of IIT Kharagpur undergrad course, and we have made this our DIY project. It's a course in IIT first year IIT Kharagpur. So this project is basically an voice controlled RC car, come obstacle avoiding. So it runs on your voice commands. Plus you can run through the Bluetooth remote also, and also it avoids obstacle. The, the obstacle function and Bluetooth function cannot run simultaneously. That's the problem of the system. So yeah, okay, so there are let me explain some few components. Here we have used this servo motor which is connected to the motor driver. Here the ultrasonic sensor which detects the obstacle, we are connected through this motor driver, and we have connected 4 TT gear motor of 100 RPM through these motor drivers, and a battery, a switch, an HC-05 sensor through this motor driver, and this motor driver is only connected on the Arduino Uno. So we have coded it so that we can run all the functions. The obstacle and voice control cannot run simultaneously, as I told before. Okay, so let's give it a short demonstration about the obstacle avoiding. So here we go. So as you can see, this successfully avoids all the obstacles. There is a bit of calibration problem. That's why this is oriented like this, and when we run it, yeah. So we again run it. Yeah, there's a bit of orientation problem in this. So it's all right. We manage it. Go. So as you can see, the obstacle command is running on this. So there are Bluetooth control and voice control are commented. The problem is that obstacle control and Bluetooth control and voice control, they all can't run simultaneously. So we'll just comment this obstacle. I'll comment this Bluetooth control as well as a voice control command. They run through this HC-05 sensor, so that's not a big problem. Okay. Now we verify the code. This code is written in C++. The C++ embedded code this is. So let's upload it. So as you can see, the obstacle has one second. Pause. So we start with. So we have uploaded this code of the C++ Arduino code in this Arduino board. So let's see how this command runs. Start. So right now I've connected this car to a remote control through the Android app. So let's calibrate it. This moves front, moves back like this. It can go. Let's give it another try. Yeah, it's working perfectly, as you can see. Okay. So now we control it with using voice. So as you can see,
back,
one more.
back.
So it's going back when you say back. There's a bit of calibration sensing
Stop.
problem. So that's why it's not. There's a hyping on this. Yeah, here the